Welcome to Noda Funeral Homes, where no one dies alone. We're from the Noda Group, extending a hand to help your loved ones rest peacefully. Hello, I'm TJ Allison at Manawat, and I will walk you through the About page of our website. So, as you open our site, you are first greeted by the navigation bar, which allows users to explore different sections of the website with just a click. This follows the HCI principle of usability, ensuring users can navigate easily without confusion. So, the navigation bar is styled to match our color palette using warm and respectful tones like cream and brown to establish a calming visual identity. So, we also added active state indicators to users so they can immediately see which part of the site they're currently viewing. So, this supports the ACI principle of visibility, making the interface clear and informative. So, scrolling down, you'll encounter the section that states pataas pa. A tradition of comfort and caring for exceptional service for over 127 years. So this message introduces visitors to the mission and values of Noda Funeral Home. So below this, we included a short paragraph about our history, emphasizing that we've been a family-owned business serving Metro Louisville since 1899. So this builds trust and offers a sense of reliability to users, which is essential in the context of sensitive services. So further down the page, let's scroll down, you'll see three main content divisions, which each with a button. So this serves as a clear call to action, leading to users to different service-related pages. So the first button, paklik po, links to the pre-planned page where users can plan ahead for their own loved one services. So pabalik. So the second button naman takes you to the pre-need section providing guidance on available options. Pabalik ulit. So the last button leads to the contact page for reaching out directly to us. Pabalik ulit. So each button is labeled and provides feedback when hovered or clicked. So following HDR principles like affordance, making it obvious that they are clickable, and feedback responding to users' actions visually. So overall, I made sure the code is functional, responsive, and designed with empathy, providing a respectful and accessible online space for families in need. So through consistent application of HCI principle, usability, visibility, feedback, and adaptability, the About page contributes meaningfully to the overall website experience. And that would be all for my part. Thank you.
For the next part of our website, we have the obituaries, where we see the list of people who has availed our services. Uh, Here we see the name section where we can search for a name. So for example, we want to find cardiac arrest. So we will place cardiac arrest and then it will be displayed properly. Next, we see the date section wherein if we input the date of death of a loved one, like per se we have Pebbles, Pebbles de la Rosa Motors. We can put March 9, March of 9, 2025, and we will see who died on March 9, 2025. And this is a list of all the people that have died, that have used our services. Next, we move on to the burial page.
Good day, everyone. I am Alexis Lianoda, and I will be presenting the burial part of the website. I'll explain what I did and how it connects to the HAI principles. First, we made sure that the navigation bar works properly because it allows users to go to different parts of the website easily. This follows the HCI principle of usability since it is important for users to move around the site without confusion. For the layout, I used CSS Grid and Flexbox to organize the header and the 5 burial services below it. This helps keep the content clean and easy to read which improves the overall user experience. So each burial service includes a short description so users can quickly understand what it offers. I also added a read more button below each service. So pwede po yan? Pakita po yung read more. Ayan. As you can see, the element is clickable, meaning the cursor reads it as a button. Right now, the button doesn't show extra content yet, but it gives a clear signal that more details are supposed to be available. This follows the HCI principles for visibility and feedback. So the website is also adaptive to different screen sizes. So pwede pong pa-minimize po ng screen. Ayan. So I used Flex Wrap so that the placement of the services adjusts depending on the screen size, while also retaining its visibility and readability for the users. Another thing is that we added a hamburger menu to the navigation bar. Pwede pong pakita. Yan, hamburger menu. Ayan. We added a hamburger menu for the navigation bar for smaller screens. This prevents the navigation buttons from being crowded and keeps the layout user-friendly on different screen sizes. Overall, we focus on making the design simple, organized, and easy to use, which is important in a website dealing with sensitive services like funerals. Thank you. Let's now move on to the next part.
For the cremation section of our website, we included two service packages offered by Noda Funeral Homes. The first package is called St. Michael, which includes cremation before viewing. This means that the body is cremated first and then the urn is presented during the service. This option is more straightforward and it's priced at 55,000 pesos. The second package is called St. Jude, which includes cremation after viewing. This is for families who prefers a traditional way or viewing before the cremation take place. Because of the extended arrangement, it costs more with a contract price of 99,000. Each service is presented inside a clean bordered box with soft shadows centered on the page for easy comparison. We made sure to keep the layout organized and in a respectful tone using neutral colors and clear fonts. Overall, this part of the website is designed to help families understand their options and choose a cremation package that best fits their needs and tradition.
Good day, I'm Bernard Janisha, and today I'll be presenting the pre-need webpage of our website. So the pre-need webpage is divided into four main sections: pre-planning options, prepayment options, what you can do in advance, and the benefits of pre-planning. So pre-planning option explains the importance of planning your funeral in advance and why it matters. Prepayment option explains the benefits of paying for a funeral ahead of time. It also explains the different payment options we offer, whether it's a one-time payment or monthly installments. Then what you can do in advance shows the step you can take to pre-plan your funeral. It also lists the personal choices you can make, like choosing the type of service, music, pallbearers, and whether you prepare burial or cremation. Then lastly, benefits of pre-planning is self-explanatory. It explains why pre-planning is a wise decision and what are the advantages it offers. So for the next webpage, we have pre-plan.
Hi there, allow me to walk you through our pre-planning part. As we all know, this kind of thing can feel heavy, but don't worry. We made this page super simple, calm, and easy to navigate. Right at the top, you'll see the header, pre-planning services, straight to the point. You'll always know where you are. One of the key things in user-centered design is keeping the users informed about their location and progress, so we made sure to do that here. Now, let's scroll down a bit. Here's where the form starts. In the first section, your personal information. Nothing too deep here, just your full name, phone number, and email. This lets this lets us reach out if there's anything we need to follow up on. All fields are clearly labeled, which aligns with the HCI principles of visibility and clarity. No guesswork needed. Alright, moving on. Next, we have the beneficiary's personal information, basically who's this plan for. You get a drop down with a few points. Myself, husband, wife, relative, friend, and others. In the others options, uh, it is very simple. So if you click the others option, there's a comment section there, so you can specify your answer. So one of the user rules in HCI is to speak the user's language, and that's exactly what we followed. Let's say you choose the others. So as what I've said earlier, a little comment box will pop up, and that keeps the layout clean. Then after that, we just ask for a few more basic details: full names, gender, birth date, and birthplace. Just the necessary stuffs, nothing more. This supports minimalist design, another HCI principle, no extra noise. So everything is spaced out nicely, no clutter, just a clear and easy flow. So now let's scroll a bit more. Here's the payment option section. It is very straightforward. Pick what pick what works best for you. No pressure, no confusion. All buttons, all fields respond smoothly, which provides instant feedback. Another big one in HCI. And finally, at the bottom, you'll see two buttons: confirm and submit plan if you're ready, and exit. So this gives user control and freedom, no forced choices, just like any good interface should. That's it. Smooth and simple and made to help you plan without any complications.
I am Francis Colina Belmonte and I will walk you through this. Now, like any other website, our goal is to connect with users quickly and efficiently. Now, if you have any inquiries about our services or even a simple question regarding our work in funeral home services, we offer you four ways for you to reach out on us. Now, first is that you can contact us via the phone number provided. Second is that we also have an additional telephone number that serves the same purpose. Third, you can visit us in person by using our interactive map. Clicking on it, it will enlarge the view for added clarity. By doing this, you can actually see which landmarks you can use for you to go there easily. Now, lastly, we offer you our contact form for you to fill out with your contact details and message. There, now once you hit that submit button, you will receive a confirmation indicating that your message has been successfully delivered. Now, all of this confirms the principles in HDIs, which are visibility and feedback, consistency, minimalism or simplicity, as well as user control and freedom. Visibility and feedback, here we provide you an immediate status or that will notify you which part are you in our website. We are also able to indicate if your message has been successfully delivered. Consistency and minimalism or simplicity is seen all throughout every pages here on our website. That may it be about obituaries, burial, cremation, pre-need, and pre-plan. We maintain uniformity in design and behavior as well as our color palette. Simplicity also reduces the cognitive load in order to avoid clutter. Now, user control and freedom we showcase here by allowing you to input your own personal information without any need for us to interfere. Now, during difficult times of loss, we at NODA Funeral Homes want you to know that we are here for you. Our heartfelt motto, Even after farewell, that connection remains. It reflects on our commitment to support you and your family. Now please remember at NODA, no one dies alone. We stand by you every step of the way. Thank you.